alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this short demo, we will look at the reasons behind asking you to type your assignments along with submitting them handwritten. Actually, there are a bunch of reasons to know why I ask you to type on a computer. And at the same time, you are submitting your own assignments in your own handwriting. The first reason is typing is important in our college. So, in post foundation, for instance, you are going to submit lots of research paper, and actually in this level, you are going to submit a research paper, and this that should be typed. So that skill should be developed. Another reason is that it's also important at work. So at work, most of our work nowadays are relying on typing, not handwriting. So even if you are writing a small email, for example, to send it to someone, you are typing it, you are not writing it using a pen and a paper. The third reason here is that you get the computer help. And this is something that I want you to learn. Get a second teacher. I want you to be the best in this course. So not only your teacher is helping you, but also the computer will help you. So if you made a mistake while you are typing, whether it is a grammatical mistake or a spelling mistake, you know that the word processor highlights or underline those mistakes, and you can, with a right click on the word, you can change it to the good one. The fourth reason is that we are thinking about positive learning. And this is something that we are going to do. We are learning together. Everyone has his own style of writing, and it is okay that we can borrow from each other. So maybe you wrote a great essay, but you may look at other sentences or expressions that your friends used. So it is okay to see each other's assignments. And this is what we are doing this semester, which is learning from each other's. Okay? So in order to do this, we need to know how to do it. The first thing that we will have is to use the college's online Word. You don't have to use your own Microsoft Word processor, which is installed in your PC. Just open a browser, Chrome, an Explorer, a Firefox, any browser, and then go to your email page within the college's website, and then you can go to the Word online. And we'll see how to do this after this slide. The second thing is to use any computer. Any computer will do. I don't recommend you to go for a tablet or a phone because you need a keyboard. If you have a tablet that has a keyboard, that's fine. Okay, but I guess computers are now cheap. You can get it for maybe 40 reals or less. Okay, so at any time, if you are going to use it for your research, for example, you can go within the window that has your own email and go to the those dots on the top left corner. You click it, you click that icon, and then you will be able to see Word. So this is an application that works inside the college's website or the college's email, right? And then once you click it, you can start making a document online. You don't have to use your own Microsoft Word. Maybe you have a problem with the program or something like this, but this is something that has some positive things that we will go and speak about later. Okay, so your assignment for this week is to write together 24 classification essays, right? And this is what we have agreed on. Each person should submit a written essay, a typed essay, let me say that, okay? And it's already available, and I'm sharing it with you in on the college group. Okay, just click on the link that I'm sending on the Outlook group, and you will be able to see the document that you are going to add your own essay inside. So once you open it, go to the right side and then edit the document. You will be able to see that icon over there. So you edit the document and it will show you two options whether you want to edit in Word or online. So you choose the online editing. Okay. And once you do this, you will be able to see almost the exact icons that you used to see it in your regular Microsoft Word program, but it's in the browser. You don't have to use the your own program, and of course, this will make your computer works faster if you have a slow machine or so. So once you open it, and this is the main page, as you can see, you will be able to see that we have a title, 24 classification essays, and each person should write down let me say, type an essay inside there. And of course, don't forget to write your name as in the list of the contributors. So write your first name and your last name, and then you enter the text. Okay, right? And don't have to worry if you made a mistake, you erased the whole file or so. I can see everything, and everything can be traced without any problem. So you don't worry about it. Okay, and of course use the correct formatting. Good. Oh, another thing that I'd like you to do after entering all the text, it's time to check. And checking here doesn't mean that you are only checking the spelling, but there are other things that I want you to learn how to check without the need of your teacher. So what you can do here is that you go to insert, okay, from the menu bar, and then click on Office add-ins. The add-ins are small programs that work inside the environment of the Word. Okay, when you click it, go to the store and then search for this program called Scribbins. Okay, there are many programs, but I selected this for you. This is a good one and it works without any problem. And the main function of that application is that it checks everything in the essay, and if there is some mistakes, like I mean in styles, for example, it will tell you, hey, this word should be changed. It's maybe correct in grammar, but it was repeated. So if you have repetitions, it's better to use a synonym word. Okay, and we will see this in the following slide. In order to have it work, you click on that icon on the top, and you'll be able to see it once you enable it, and then check the selected paragraphs. So you should highlight the paragraphs that you entered. Of course, you should enter 5 paragraphs if you're writing one essay. And then once you do this, you will be able to see a pop-up window, and on the right side there is the word synonyms and statistics. First, you click on synonyms. So you'll be able to see if there is some suggested synonyms to be changed or to be added to the text. Okay? And that your text will be highlighted in red. So you click on the word in red and then you change it. It's pretty easy, and I guess you won't have any problem with this. After you do this, go to the second stage, statistics. When you click on that, you will be able to see some facts on your own writing. How many words, how many sentences, how complicated that thing is. And what I'm really interested in here is that readability index. The higher the score you get, that means your essay is really good. It has a good style. It's easy to read. It can be understood. And of course, this will give you good marks. So you can anticipate your performance. And of course, you can go for better and better, inshallah. That's it. And of course, what you do in the document will be auto-saved. So you don't have to click on an icon to save it. This will be saved automatically on the web. Thank you.